Assalamu alaikum students. I hope so you are taking good care of yourself and you are safe at your sweet homes. Students, today we are going to discuss the same topic of exercise 8 number 1, but we are going to start from question number 6. Look at the question number 6. In the following figures, these figures are given in the question, and in the following figures, the triangle PQR and triangle XYZ both are similar. It is given, it is mentioned in the question. So you have to find the relation between the sides and the angles. Just you have to find the relation. No need to calculate anything. Just you have to find the relation between the sides and angles of these two similar triangles. Students, in the previous topic, we have discussed some properties of the similar figures. According to these properties, we will just find the relation between the corresponding sides and angles. And for checking the corresponding sides and angles, I have told you, you have to put the figures in the same direction. Okay, just like this. In this triangle, you can see this is XYZ. If I change the direction of this triangle PQR, it will be like this. This type of triangle will be there. Okay, now the name will be Q, this side Q, and this P is now on this side, and this is R. And what will be the sides? At Q angle is Y, at P angle is X, and at R angle is Z. And now PR is L, PQ is M, and RQ is N. Now you can easily find the relation between the corresponding sides and angles. You can make this diagram in your rough work. Okay, now we will just write the sides. What will be the relation between the sides? As you know, QR is corresponding to ZY. So relation will be N ratio B. And now RP is corresponding to ZX, so relation will be LA, and QP is corresponding to YX, so relation will be M ratio C. Now how you will write? Firstly, I am going to take this side of this triangle, so MN ratio B, N ratio B will be equals to, you can write ratio in the fraction form, so N by B will be equals to, now this corresponding side, as I have taken this triangle first, so you have to write all the corresponding side first. N ratio B, now M ratio C, M ratio C, and last one, this side is corresponding to this side, so L ratio A will be there. Okay, now we will write for the angles. In angles, you can see that angle Y is equal to angle Q, and angle X is equals to angle S, and angle Z is equals to angle P. Okay students, this is the question number 7. In the figure, OA is an object. In this figure, this OA is an object lying in front of a convex lens. This is a convex lens and this is the object OA, which is at a distance of 10 centimeter. Means this object is at 10 centimeter from this convex lens. Means this side OC is of 10 centimeter, right? Means OA is an object which is lying in front of a convex lens and is at the distance of 10 centimeter from it. Find the distance of image. This object is having this image IB. So we have to find the distance of this image from the convex lens. If now the condition is given, if the distance of the image is twice that of object. Twice that of object means if suppose this is this object is X, then its image will be 2x. Like means it is twice, so you have to take any variable and then 2 times of its variable will be the image. Again I am telling you the question. In the given figure, this is the convex lens and this is the object OA, which is in front of this convex lens and is at the distance of 10 centimeter from it. we have to find the distance of the image of this object, means we have to find CI, and we have to find this distance which is of the image from convex lens, and the condition is given that image is 2 times that object. Clear? Okay, now we will do the solution, how we will solve this question. First of all, we will take the correspondence of these two triangles. You can see these two triangles are similar. So we will take the correspondence of these two triangles. Number one, in triangle AOC, corresponding to triangle BIC. Students, you have to take care of the sequence of the vertices while taking the similarity of the triangles. Like if I am taking AOC in this direction, AOC, then for this figure, you will take the same direction like BIC. You can also write COA. If I am taking C first, COA this side. So in this triangle, you will write CIB. Okay, now students, we have to find this distance CI. So I have to take a variable for this. Like I can write X. Okay, now according to the condition, this OA and this image, these are, what is the relation between these two? This image is twice of OA. So if I am writing this as H, so what will be the image? Obviously it will be 2H because it is twice of this object. So now if I am making the ratio, what will be the ratio? It can be X ratio 10 will be equals to 2H ratio H. This side and this side, I am taking this side first, so X ratio 10 and this ratio this, so 2H will be divided by 2H. So X divided by 10, 10 is dividing here. On the other side, it will be multiplied. H and H can be cancelled. So now X is equals to 20 will be your answer. And unit will be as it is in the question. So 20 centimeter will be your answer. Okay students, now the question number 8 is here. In the figure, an electric tower is seen through a telescope. This is the tower and this is seen through a telescope. Find the height of the tower. We have to find the height of this tower. If the condition is there, the height of its image is 0.5 meters. Now this is the condition, this is the height of the tower we have to find, and its image, its height is 0.5 meter. Now student, this diagram is given in your book. Through this diagram you have to find the value of its height. Clear? This is mentioned in the question. This is the this is 100 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, 100 meters, 5 meters, and these are two similar triangles. We have to find the height. If I am supposing this is H, so we have to find value of H. According to the again the same property, ratio of the corresponding sides, we can apply the ratio. You can see this side ratio, this side ratio of corresponding sides, will be 5 ratio. What will be there? 5 ratio 100, and again from the same triangle, 0.5 ratio, what will be there? H. Clear? Okay, now we have to find H. So by cross multiplication, it will be 5H, and 0.5 multiplied by 100. When we will remove the point, it will be 10 in the denominator and it will be cancelled. You have to do the cancellation like this. Okay, it will be 5H is equals to 5 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 50, and then 5 is multiplying here. On the other side, it will be divided, and Your answer will be 10. Okay, what will be the unit now? Meters. So height of the tower is equals to 10 meters. Okay student, this is the last topic of today's lecture. Question number 9. In this question, this is the figure which is given in your question. We have to find the length of the rope of the hanging bridge where x is equals to y. It is mentioned in the question, this is the rope and this is the hanging bridge. So you have to find the length of this rope. It is given in the question and x is equals to y. Means we will not check the angles, just we have to find the length of this rope. Let's say this is L and rest of the measurements are given in the diagram. So again students, we will apply the same property of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Ratio of corresponding sides. Now if I am obviously we have to find the length of this rope. So L, I have taken this rope as L. So L ratio 10 will be there and L ratio 10. This side will be corresponding to this side. So we will write is equals to 12 divided by 8. As 10 is multiplying here, on the other side it will be, 10 is dividing here, on the other side it will be multiplied. Now L is equals to 120 by 8, which is equals to 15. And according to the question, the unit will be in meters. Students, we can solve this according to some other ratio. Like if I am taking L ratio 10. So I have taken previously 12 ratio 8. Now I can also take 6 ratio 4. Why? Because according to the property, ratio of the corresponding side is equal. All the corresponding sides, their ratio will be equal. So 6 ratio 4. You will see the answer will be same. As 10 is dividing, on the other side it will be multiplied. And it will be 60 by 4. Again the answer is 15 meter. So no need to do with all the sides. Just you have to find the value of the variable or value of the unknown values. So just you have to apply one side, ratio of one side. Like I have done this side. So this is your complete solution. I have done this just for your easiness. Okay students, now this was the last topic and hope so you will do a lot of practice to appear in final exams. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.